Welcome back as we conclude the program by demonstrating the fitting of outdoor components, namely rain sheds, to the termination. The number of rain sheds and their position are determined by the operating voltage of the cable. In our demonstration, the cable voltage is 11 kilovolts, so 2 rain sheds will be fitted to each core. Measure 150 millimeters from the lug to a point on the tube. Mark the position using the thumbnail. Place the collar at the mark, then begin shrinking the rain shed into its final position as demonstrated. Hold the rain shed with a pair of pliers to protect your fingers from the heat. Fit the remaining rain sheds according to the measurements and data given in the installation manual. Finally, clean the cores using a piece of clean mutton cloth and cleaning solution. That then is the basic procedure for fitting an indoor-outdoor termination on an X.L.P.E insulated medium voltage cable. By following the procedures demonstrated and the instructions provided by the kit manufacturers, you can be assured of a safe and long-lasting termination. Join us again when you can learn about other types of joints and terminations in this series.